when I go out in the hail. I'm so bad. I'm just biker gang material.
Okay? Oh, hey, can you go back out there? I think I forgot something in the grass.
Oh, you mean that scooter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, I think I dropped my wallet in the grass.
Okay, let's see if I can find it.
Let me go find it, okay? Hold the camera.
It's not cut.
As you can see, it's not hilling anymore, so now I'm gonna go get my wallet. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's the dog again. Okay. Okay, I got something to feed it, okay? Look. Oh, you want this? Oh. You want this? You want this? Oh, no. No. Run!
Okay, well, I'm just sitting here. My friend's dead. It's been pretty depressing for me. The dog of death is still kind of roaming around. And, oh, here she comes. I have some goldfish to feed her. So, see if she goes for it. Oh, no. Whoa, psych. Yeah, whoa! Can't get it.